was walking through the shadows, carrying the weight of all my wrongs, lost inside my failures, didn't know where I belonged. But mercy whispered gently, called my name out tenderly, and in the silence of my breaking, your love came down for me. Grace found me right where I was falling. Grace found me when no one else came calling. I didn't earn it, didn't deserve it, but you wrapped your arms around me. Oh, grace found me, Jesus, grace found me. Every tear became a rising, every wound you turned to light. You restored what I had wasted. You made the wrong things turn to right. Now I'm standing in your promise. No more chains upon my soul. Your forgiveness is my freedom. Your salvation makes me whole. Grace found me right where I was broken. Grace found me. Your truth became my token. I didn't earn it, didn't deserve it, but you wrapped your arms around me. Oh, grace found me, Jesus, grace found me. When I wandered far away, still your mercy chased me down. Love lifted me from the ashes, placed my feet on holy ground. Now forever I will sing of your goodness poured so free. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Your grace keeps finding me. Grace found me. Pull me from the darkness. Grace found me. Filled my heart with gladness. I didn't earn it, didn't deserve it, yet you never once abandoned me. Oh, grace found me, and it keeps on finding me. Grace found me, Jesus, grace found me, Jesus, grace found